Hey everyone! In this quick demo, I'll show you the process of connecting 2-minute reports MCP with Claude. It's a simple setup, and once you're done, you'll be able to ask questions in plain English and get powerful insights instantly. First, head over to Claude AI, log into your account. Once you're inside, click on your profile icon, then go to Settings and navigate to the Connector section. Now click here and click this plus icon and select Add Custom Connector. Give your connector a name. In the remote MCP server URL, enter mcp.2minutereports.com/mcp and click Add, then click Connect. You'll be asked to sign in with your Google account. Make sure you use the same one connected to your 2-minute reports account. Once that's done, your connection is ready. Now comes the fun part. You can start asking questions to Claude and get insights from your ad accounts, e-commerce stores, and social media platforms. For example, you can ask, show me my Shopify store performance over the past 3 months from 2-minute reports. Claude will fetch your data, analyze it, and present insights like sale trends, order performance, and more, all in seconds. This is how you can connect Claude with your 2-minute reports account and start exploring your data with simple conversational queries. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out us at 2minutereports.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.